Tell me what today is.
Kai's birthday.
Which birthday? Your second birthday?
4th.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. And what time is it? Do you know?
66.
It's 66 time. Okay. And what are you eating?
Bubble gum.
Why?
Because we always wanted it. It's my birthday today.
Yeah, and I told you
What's this?
you could have bubble gum for your birthday, didn't I? For breakfast.
Now what's this to Bubba?
What time is it?
6:31.
The party's 21.
What about the party 6:41?
Well, happy birthday, pal.